Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus. Okay, you need to remember that when we unlock the bootloader, all of our data will be erased from our phone, so you just need to remember about it. Now, to unlock the bootloader, we need to open up the settings. Make sure that you're connected into Wi-Fi. If you are not, go into connections, enable the Wi-Fi and find available network and connect to it. Then go straight to the downside, click on software update, click on download and install, just to make sure that we are logged in into the server, because without it there's a chance that we won't have access into the bootloader. In here, click on pause if there's any update in the background, don't worry. Then go straight into about phone, go into software information, and you need to tap on the build number until you see that developer mode has been enabled. If it's enabled, go down, find developer options, and in here we need to enable the OEM unlocking feature. Click on enable, and now we need to click on delete all. Remember that all of your data will be erased from your device, so I highly recommend to create a backup of your data. Now click on delete all. Okay, now the factory reset will be performed, and now we just need to simply wait until the setup process appears on the screen. If it does, we just need to go through it. I'll also show that on the video, and we will verify everything in the settings, and we will check if the bootloader was successfully unlocked. So I'll see you in a second. Alright, the phone has turned on, and now we just need to go through the setup process. So select your language, then click on that blue arrow, select that you agree, and click on next. Let's skip the network for now, we'll connect to it later. Don't copy. Click on next. More and accept. Skip, skip. Skip and skip. Click on finish. Okay, the phone has turned on. Let's wait a little bit and let's open up the settings. Let's connect to the Wi-Fi. Select available network and type the password. Click on connect. Go back. Scroll down. Again, software update and download and install. Connecting to server. Okay, you can pause that update, go back, about phone, software information, tap on the build number until developer mode is enabled, go back, scroll down, developer options, and OEM unlocking feature is enabled. And below we can see the sentence, bootloader already unlocked, and that means that everything has been unlocked properly and everything went fine. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.